Hey everyone, welcome back to your go-to space for sustainable gardening. Today we're diving into real solutions that keep your garden healthy without chemicals. Let's get into it. Why bother with natural pest control? Chemical pesticides might give quick results, but at what cost? They harm pollinators like bees and butterflies and disrupt the soil's balance. Natural methods work in harmony with nature. They're safer for us, wildlife, and the environment. There's deep satisfaction in finding a natural solution that works. It's about understanding the cycles of nature and working with those rhythms. Let me share a few methods that I've found to be truly effective over the years. These aren't just whimsical gardening notions, but tried and tested techniques that deliver real results. First on our list is neem oil, a true organic powerhouse. It's derived from the seeds of the neem tree and disrupts insect hormones, preventing them from feeding, breeding, and growing. Neem oil is effective against a wide range of pests, including aphids, spider mites, and whiteflies. It's harmless to humans, pets, and beneficial insects like ladybirds. To use neem oil, mix 1 teaspoon with a few drops of dish soap in a spray bottle filled with water. Spray in the early morning or late evening to avoid leaf scorch. Neem oil is preventative, so use it regularly throughout the growing season. It's like taking your vitamins. A little bit every day keeps pests at bay. Let's talk about marigolds, those cheerful flowers that are powerful pest deterrents. Marigolds emit a strong aroma that repels nematodes, aphids, and even rabbits. Plant them as borders around your vegetable patches to create a natural barrier. Marigolds also attract beneficial insects like ladybirds and hoverflies. By planting marigolds, you're repelling pests and welcoming in the good guys. Plus, who doesn't love a splash of vibrant orange and yellow in the garden? Marigolds are easy to grow from seed or available as plug plants from your local nursery. They truly are a win-win for any gardener. Sometimes our gardens need extra help in the pest control department. Beneficial insects are the cavalry arriving just in time. Ladybugs are voracious predators of aphids, consuming up to 50 a day. You can buy ladybugs online or from garden centers if dealing with a nasty aphid infestation. Release them at dusk near the base of affected plants. Lacewings and praying mantises are also fantastic allies. Even spiders play a vital role in keeping pest populations in check. Encourage beneficial insects by avoiding pesticides and planting a diversity of flowering plants. Think of your garden as an ecosystem, and nature will keep things in balance. Let's delve into companion planting, a technique practiced for centuries. Certain plants, when grown together, can benefit each other in myriad ways, including pest control. Some plants have strong scents or release chemicals that deter insects. Others attract beneficial insects that prey on common garden pests. Basil repels thrips, which can wreak havoc on tomato plants. Chives deter carrot root fly, a common pest for carrot crops. Nasturtiums attract pests, drawing them away from more valuable crops. The possibilities with companion planting are endless. Experiment in your garden, observe plant interactions, and discover perfect plant partnerships. Before we finish, here's a simple homemade pest control recipe: garlic spray. Blend 1 bulb of garlic with 2 cups of water until smooth. Let it steep overnight, then strain and pour into a spray bottle. Spray it on leaves affected by aphids, spider mites, or whiteflies. The strong garlic scent disrupts their feeding and mating habits. A few more tips. Rotate crops to prevent pest buildup, keep your garden clean, and be observant. Spend time in your garden daily to spot any signs of trouble quickly. Natural pest control is about working nature, not against it. Create a healthy, balanced environment to encourage nature's own pest control methods. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to, and drop a comment. What natural methods have tried? Until next time, happy growing.